Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a garment brush properly. Now, we're probably all familiar with the lint roller, basically a double-sided tape that you find at most pharmacies and department stores. This is absolutely not what you want to use when brushing your garments or removing lint. The reason being, as you use the lint roller, not only does it fail to get into the fabric, but this is going to leave an adhesive residue on the cloth after you've used it, which is only in turn going to attract more dust and lint. So whenever it comes to fine clothing, you never want to use a lint roller. Instead, what you want to be using is a garment brush made with natural bristle. This is our Kirby Allison double-sided garment brush. You can find this online, of course, at kirbyallison.com. This is made from 100% natural pig hair. It's nice and stiff on one end and then offset pinned on the other to be quite soft. The important thing about a natural bristled garment brush is that the bristle is going to do a much more effective job actually getting into the fabric to remove lint. Now in the morning, after your jacket has been hanging, oftentimes you can find some dust having settled on the shoulders. This is really the most common use that you'll want for your garment brush. Now this garment brush has two different bristle types, right? As I said, it has the stiffer bristled for worsted or sturdier fabrics, and it has the offset pinned for softer fabrics. This is a beautiful Allen Flusser custom suit, triple bead stripe. And the navy, as you can see, really shows the dust that accumulates because it's dark fabric. So in the morning, it's very easy to get rid of. Here I'm going to use the stiffer bristled side. Just simply take your garment and brush the shoulders, and this is going to get into the fabric, remove all of that lint. Turn it around to the other side again. It's going to remove all that dust, all that lint. And one of the other great things about a natural bristled garment brush is that with a dry stain, you can actually get into the fabric to get those out, so it can avoid having to needlessly send a garment like this to the dry cleaners. Now, what about softer fabrics? Well, I've got a beautiful bespoke suit from Henry Poole. This is a softer tweed, right? Real soft to the hand, not as tight of a weave as that other fabric. And so for this one, you could use the more stiff bristle, the black bristle, but also this is why we have the offset pin. So if you just want a nice kind of brush, use that softer bristle of the offset pin side and just brush your garment in the beginning of the day before you wear it. And then also in the evening time after you take it off, a nice soft brush really goes a long way to keeping your garment clean. So there you go. That's how you use a garment brush. Moral of the story, you want a natural bristled garment brush for fine clothing. You never want to be using something that leaves an adhesive residue. So if you've got one of these in your closet, throw it away and visit kirbyallison.com for a natural bristled garment brush. Of course, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching today.